And the gang is all here, other than JP. He had some unfortunate news yesterday, and the Tramatician is not going to last an event today. Well, he doesn't have second, but everyone's kind of getting set up. I forgot to vlog and film earlier today, so we're starting here now. We got teched in, everyone kind of started unloading, doing their thing. I haven't even looked at the layout yet, but it's one that we've done in private days, but I don't think we've had to drive it in a public day yet, so that'll be sick. I think there's going to be a good amount of people here today, and then they split up the group super weird, so hopefully we can get enough laps. If not, I mean, I got scrubs on right now, and then I brought some half-used Kendas that if I need to ride home on, I can. But yeah, we are here. This morning I had to tighten a bunch of stuff up on the Skyline, so that should be all sorted. Came straight from the shop to here, and we're gonna get some laps. Fresh helmets on deck,
bro.
Fresh helmet.
It's actually so nice.
Old car. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, one last send off. Until there's another send off, and then another. Amen. But yeah.
Or is mine?
People
like
been
massive.
glazing your car all day. I don't know why people glaze coupes. They're fucking ugly.
Bro, you spit a lot of oil, by the way.
Oh yeah, out the back. Yeah, I know. It's my drain, my turbo drain. I have it as a fucking.
Thought I was behind a VQ.
Yeah, so every time on acceleration and shit.
Nice.
It's a pro car. Bro got a sump, an oil sump, and he has FBS.
And his engine starts with a 2 and not a 1. Yeah.
This car,
that car.
God's Motors.
That shit is hard. I thought that shit was gonna be soft.
Yeah, as good as new.
Dude, trackside bodywork, dude.
Brand new, baby.
Not too bad.
Wait, what happened to my car? I hit you.
Where?
I mean, I fucked up your quarter panel.
I don't care.
Okay.
What did you get? I care about your car. I don't care about my car.
I think it was my wheel.
Oh, we're good.
Bro, as hard as I hit you, I was like,
Bro, I thought your car got fucked, but that shit, it felt hard. Oh, bro, get next to that bitch.
bro, what happened? It was tap, like,
I was on him. I was too close to him, so then I wanted him to go. So I put the clutch in and let him.
all right, well, we'll throw in the clip real quick, but JP, oh, you guys saw him kicking out this quarter panel. That was from the Skyline. So coming over here, but luckily this Model 5 took all the damage of 50's quarter panel. It was pretty bad, and right when we're pulling off, right after the accident, I get shot over to the side, and then I loop around and I see him pulling off, and I see how bad his car is. And the impact it felt like my car was total. So I was in my head, I'm just like, bro, I don't even want to get out and look. And luckily, it was okay to do to this car today. And I'm glad that there was not a lot of damage on the 34. Wheels are scuffed up, is what it is. Couple dents in the quarter or in the fender, but yeah.
He smoked out of it.
lot of cars that are slowly making it home, but Suge's had a tire. He was ripping it with the Monster guys. You know, laying it down. Nah, he's a driving. 34, luckily made it out unscathed, other than catching 50's car, but 50's car ended up breaking a radiator. The fan ended up breaking and going into the radiator, so they pulled that stuff, put like quick seal and stuff on it. I think still haven't put anything in it, right?
Should be fine.
Yeah, throw some water in it and drive home. And then Tap went and got another TPS sensor because his was messing up. Put it in for like 2 or 3 laps. We did a lap or 2, and then it broke again. So everyone's kind of about done for the night. We could have driven for another hour and a half or so, but I just cleaned up. I packed up the car. I got a little drive ahead of me, and I got to bring Cody back. So we're just gonna. We're just gonna call it for the night. I will throw in some driving clips for you guys today. I ended up changing from horizontal or vertical to horizontal, so I'll throw some of those in, and then any outside clips. If I haven't thrown them in already, I'll throw them at the end. So enjoy the rest of the driving. Again, thank you guys for staying tuned and locked into OZ. Go check out some of the last Knuckle Up videos. We got a couple more that are going to be dropping, some long form stuff. And well, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.
Catch you. Oh, okay. Catch you on the flip side.